Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of dolphins. These intelligent creatures, often seen leaping from the ocean waves, are shrouded in mystery. We've all seen them playing in the surf, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water, but beneath the surface lies a depth of intelligence and a complexity of social interaction that rivals our own. Get ready to discover 8 weird facts about these incredible creatures that you probably didn't know. In the intricate societies of dolphins, communication is key. But did you know that these animals have individual names? Not in the way we humans do, of course, but in a manner no less remarkable. Each dolphin, it seems, develops its own unique whistle, a signature sound that identifies it to others. Imagine, if you will, a world where your name isn't a collection of syllables, but a distinct melodic call. This is the reality for dolphins. These whistles, these acoustic fingerprints, are used to address each other, much like we use names. A dolphin seeking a companion will send out a specific whistle, a sonic beacon aimed at the individual it wishes to contact. This intricate system of communication speaks volumes about the intelligence and social complexity of these creatures. It's a world of sound, a symphony of whistles, where each call carries meaning and purpose. And just as we learn the names of our friends and family, dolphins too become familiar with the whistles of those around them. It's a fascinating example of convergent evolution, where nature finds similar solutions to shared challenges, even across vastly different species. So the next time you see a pod of dolphins, listen closely. You might just be hearing a chorus of names, an underwater conversation carried on the waves. The ocean depths present a unique challenge for air-breathing mammals like dolphins. Sleep, a necessity for all creatures, becomes a delicate balancing act. How do they rest while needing to surface regularly for air? The answer lies in a remarkable adaptation: unihemispheric sleep. Dolphins have evolved the extraordinary ability to shut down only one half of their brain at a time, while the other half remains alert. Imagine being simultaneously asleep and awake. This allows them to maintain vital functions like breathing, even while resting. During this unique sleep state, one eye closes, corresponding to the resting hemisphere of the brain, while the other remains open, scanning the surroundings for danger. It's a remarkable feat of multitasking, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution. This partial slumber ensures that dolphins never truly drift off into a deep sleep, vulnerable to predators or the risk of drowning. They remain perpetually vigilant, even in repose. This incredible adaptation highlights the remarkable resilience and adaptability of these marine mammals. They've conquered the challenges of their environment, finding a way to rest while remaining constantly aware of their surroundings. It's a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, and the more we learn about creatures like dolphins, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. The ocean depths, often shrouded in mystery, have long been a theater of human conflict. But in this watery realm, we are not alone. Dolphins, with their exceptional skills, have been enlisted in a surprising role: soldiers of the sea. The United States Navy, recognizing the unique abilities of these creatures, has trained dolphins for a variety of military tasks. Their natural sonar, known as echolocation, makes them ideal for detecting underwater mines, a task both dangerous and difficult for human divers. Imagine, if you will, these highly intelligent animals, trained to identify and mark the location of these hidden threats. Their agility and underwater prowess make them invaluable assets in the murky depths, but their role extends beyond mine detection. Dolphins have also been trained to patrol restricted areas, acting as underwater sentinels, guarding against enemy intruders. Their speed and maneuverability make them formidable guardians of the deep. This unlikely partnership between man and dolphin highlights the extraordinary capabilities of these animals. They are more than just playful performers. They are capable of understanding complex tasks and executing them with precision. It's a controversial practice, this use of animals in military operations. Yet it also underscores the deep intelligence and trainability of dolphins, qualities that continue to fascinate and inspire us. Self-awareness, the ability to recognize oneself as an individual, was once considered a uniquely human trait. But the animal kingdom, as we are constantly discovering, is full of surprises. Dolphins, it turns out, share this remarkable capacity with us. The mirror test, a classic experiment in animal cognition, reveals a fascinating truth about these marine mammals. When presented with their reflection, dolphins don't react as if seeing another of their kind. Instead, they display behaviors that suggest self-recognition. They twist and turn, examining their bodies from different angles, much like we might admire ourselves in a mirror. This isn't mere curiosity, it's a sign that they understand the image reflects their own form. This self-awareness places dolphins in a select group of animals, including great apes and elephants. known to possess this advanced cognitive ability. It speaks to their intelligence, their ability to perceive themselves as separate entities in the world. This discovery challenges our understanding of consciousness and sentience in the animal kingdom. It forces us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme of things, recognizing that we share this planet with other intelligent beings. The next time you look into a mirror, consider the dolphin, gazing back at its reflection. In that moment of self-recognition, we catch a glimpse of a mind not so different from our own, a mind capable of introspection and self-awareness. The underwater world, with its murky depths and limited visibility, presents a unique challenge for marine creatures. But dolphins have evolved an extraordinary sense that allows them to navigate, hunt, and even see their surroundings with remarkable precision. Echolocation. Imagine, if you will, a world not perceived through sight but through sound. Dolphins emit a series of high-pitched clicks, sound waves that travel through the water, bouncing off objects in their path. These returning echoes are picked up by the dolphin's sensitive lower jaw, which transmits the information to the brain, creating a detailed acoustic map of its surroundings. It's like having a built-in sonar system allowing them to see even in complete darkness. But echolocation is more than just a navigational tool. Dolphins can use it to hunt prey, even detecting fish buried beneath the sand. The echoes reveal the shape, size, and even the internal structure of objects, providing a wealth of information about their environment. This remarkable sense allows dolphins to navigate through intricate coral reefs, avoid predators, and hunt with incredible accuracy. It's a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping creatures to thrive in even the most challenging environments. So the next time you see a dolphin effortlessly navigating its watery world, remember that they are experiencing their surroundings in a way we can only imagine. They are seeing with sound, painting a picture of their world through echoes. Dolphins, with their perpetual smiles and playful antics, have long captured our hearts. But these creatures, like all animals, have a darker side, a complexity of behavior that belies their often romanticized image. Beneath the surface of their seemingly joyful existence lies a capacity for aggression, even brutality, that might surprise those who view them solely through a lens of admiration. Dolphins, it turns out, can be bullies. Male dolphins, driven by competition for mates and resources, can form gangs, engaging in aggressive displays of dominance. These alliances patrol their territories, chasing away rivals and even attacking lone males unfortunate enough to cross their path. But their aggression isn't limited to their own kind. Dolphins have been observed harassing other marine creatures, seemingly for sport. They've been known to toss fish back and forth, playing with their food before devouring it. This darker side of dolphin behavior serves as a reminder that nature is rarely black and white. These animals, while capable of great intelligence and social complexity, are also driven by primal instincts, survival strategies honed over millennia of evolution. Their aggression, while unsettling to us, is a natural part of their world, a testament to the raw power of nature's forces. It's a reminder that we should never underestimate the complexity of the animal kingdom, even in creatures we perceive as gentle and kind. The ocean depths, a realm of constant struggle, can inflict grievous wounds on its inhabitants. But dolphins possess an almost miraculous ability to heal from severe injuries. Sharks pose a constant threat to dolphins. Yet, these resilient creatures often survive horrific attacks, healing with astonishing speed. Even massive bites seem to pose little long-term threat to dolphins. Scientists believe dolphins possess a unique physiology for rapid recovery. Their blubber may act as a natural bandage, promoting rapid tissue regeneration. Dolphins may also have specialized immune systems. Their bodies repair and regenerate damaged tissue with little scarring. This resilience captivates scientists who see potential for human medicine. Imagine a world where wounds heal without scars, infections fought off rapidly. The study of dolphin healing is still in its infancy, but the potential benefits for human medicine are immense. These remarkable creatures hold the key to a new era of healing and regeneration. The ocean depths, while teeming with life, can be a challenging environment, fraught with predators and hazards. Yet dolphins, masters of adaptation, have remarkably long lifespans, exceeding expectations. Some dolphins live well beyond what we might expect. In the wild, reaching old age is a testament to their resilience. One remarkable dolphin, Niclo, lived over 60 years, providing invaluable insights. Studied for decades in Florida, Niclo defied the odds. Their intelligence and social bonds allow them to thrive. Dolphins thrive in various marine environments, from coastal waters to the open ocean. Their long lives provide scientists opportunities to study their complex communication and cognitive abilities. When you see a dolphin, remember its survival and adaptation over decades. Their long lives are a testament to adaptation and a source of endless fascination. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these weird facts about dolphins, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.